Welcome to this guided meditation designed to envelop you in a protective aura of white light. Picture this shield of light forming around you, providing a sense of safety and peace. Now, choose someone or something to stand by your side. This could be a spiritual guide, an angel, a trusted friend, or the infinite creative energy of the universe. Whoever or whatever you envision, know that they are here to watch over you, shielding you from any negativity or darkness. This practice can be done at any time and in any place, as long as you have a few quiet moments. It could be before sleep, upon waking, or during the day, whenever you feel the need for protection and grounding. Let's begin with your breath. Gently inhale through your nose for a count of 3, and exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. As you breathe, imagine pure light flowing into your body with each inhale, and as you exhale, release any tension or negative energy. Now, close your eyes. Visualize a radiant ring of white or golden light encircling you. This protective barrier surrounds you, shielding you from any harmful thoughts, actions, or energies. It is a time-honored practice used by people of all beliefs for centuries, with powerful and transformative effects. Now, call upon your guardian. Whether they stand tall beside you or place a comforting hand on your shoulder, know that they are here to deflect any negativity or harm. Within this circle of light, you are completely safe. Trust in the strength of your guardian as they stand watch, ready to push away any threats to your well-being. Visualize the light surrounding you, glowing ever brighter, extending outward into the universe. Your guardian's presence also grows stronger, reinforcing your shield. You may seal this protective energy with words of affirmation. I am wrapped in light. I am protected. I am safe. Acknowledge your protectors, knowing they stand with you, warding off any harm. Feel the power of this protective light, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of safety with you. At any time throughout your day, you can return to this circle of light by simply pausing and visualizing it once again. You are always protected. You are always safe. Remember, you are loved, you are guarded, and you are safe. Carry this knowledge with you as you continue with your day.